Okay.
My friend is sad.
Oh.
My friend is sad. I will make him happy. Yeehaw!
A cowboy! Tippity clock, tippity clock, tippity clock. Oh.
Gerald loves cowboys, but he's still sad. Clowns are funny, but he's still sad.
A robot!
How can anyone be sad around a robot? Gerald.
Piggie!
I am sorry, I wanted to make you happy, but you're still sad.
Oh, I'm not sad now, I'm happy.
You're happy?
I'm happy because you were here. I was so sad, Piggie, so very sad. I saw a cowboy.
But you love cowboys.
I do love cowboys, but you were not there to see him.
Well, in fact,
Well, there was more. I saw a clown. A funny, funny clown. But you were not there to see him.
But
There was more. I saw a robot. A cool robot. My best friend was not there to see it with me.
but, you see, I'm here now.
You are. You are here now. My friend is here now. I need my friends.
You need new glasses.